Hi guys, I am back, and in today's video I will be talking about my experience tasting raw horse. Yeah, something that I never thought I would ever do in life. And also how I visited an animal museum all in the same week. Sounds a bit crazy when you actually say it out loud. But this is another video, and this is Beijing in Japan. Okay, hi guys. So firstly, I just want to kind of address how I've been feeling lately. Um, I have been a bit uncomfortable. That's why I decided to not make videos. I post them for a few weeks because I was feeling a bit down. I was feeling a bit out of place. I was a bit in my emotions. And then I realized, I am in a different part of the world, in a totally different culture. This is my first time really away from my comfort zone and my home for an extended period of time. So I had to kind of come to the realization that, of course, I'm going to be uncomfortable. This is part of it, part of moving away from home, part of being in some place completely different. You will have uncomfortable moments and uncomfortable times. That does not mean that you cannot enjoy it for what it is. So I was just taking the time off to really feel my emotions because I feel that it's extremely important to give room to your emotions and to feel all of your feelings. Um, yes, I feel like I was angry at some things, kind of upset at some things, but I strongly believe that when you have those emotions, you need to take a step back, feel them, address them, and then move forward. And I feel like I'm in a much better place now. I was just experiencing a bit of culture shock, that's all. And yes, I was upset about some things, but that does not, make me a bad person. Like, as a person, you're supposed to feel all of your emotions. Right. And this is not supposed to be a philosophical vlog or anything, but I just feel the need to be open and honest about it. Now, moving forward. Yes, so I did try raw horse. It was never my intention to try it. I remember when I first came, then I saw that there was a horse meat shop. And I was like, but why would you eat a horse? Like, horses are such strong creatures, they're so talented and all of that. But horse meat is actually very much so a delicacy here, and they love to eat it raw. And I was like, I don't feel like that could ever enter my mouth. But I went to a restaurant with some colleagues, and they were like, "Oh, you have to try the raw horse. This and that." So it's basically like sushi. I'm gonna get a picture and I'm gonna pop it up somewhere so that you can see. I didn't have footage of me actually eating it, but it was very much like beef. It actually did not taste bad at all. We ate it with soy sauce and wasabi, and it was very, very chewy, like what you would expect, because a horse is a very muscular creature, so you wouldn't expect its meat to not be a little bit tough. Would I eat it again? I wouldn't have a problem eating it again, but will I try to eat it again? Probably not. Like, it was not life changing. It actually tasted like what you would expect raw horse to taste like. That's the thing. And so it actually wasn't as bad as I thought, but no, I won't be doing that again. I won't be doing that again. I think it's more of the mental, thinking about the fact that I'm eating a freaking horse, right? But, when in Japan, it was definitely a crazy experience, and yeah, I definitely don't regret it. So, And somehow in the same week, I ended up going to an animal museum. And this museum was really nice. It was very comprehensive. It had like lots and lots and lots of different animals and bugs and insects and birds. So I'm gonna get some footage and kind of insert it so that you guys could see some of the things that I saw. That was kind of cool, not gonna lie. And yeah, so that has been those were some interesting things that I did within the past couple of weeks. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll bring some more content soon, but no pressure. And yeah, see you in the next vlog.